Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the compound class. The structure contains a carbonyl group, C is equal to O, bonded to an OCH to CH3, ethoxy, group, making it an ester. The ester is therefore an ethyl ester. Step 2. Identify the parent acid chain counting the carbons in the acid portion. The carbonyl carbon is C1, then there are 2 more carbons, C2 and C3, before reaching the phenyl group. This gives a 3-carbon, propanoic acid, backbone. Step 3. Identify the substituent. A phenyl group, C6H5, is attached at C3, the beta carbon, or position 3, of the propanoate chain. Step 4. Construct the IUPAC name. The parent acid is propanoic acid with a phenyl substituent at C3 giving 3-phenylpropanoic acid. The ester is formed with ethanol, so the full IUPAC name is ethyl 3-phenylpropanoate. Step 5. Verification. The structure pH, CH2, CH2, Cu, CH to CH3 matches ethyl 3-phenylpropanoate perfectly. Ethyl ester of 3-phenylpropanoic acid, also known as hydrocinamic acid. Therefore, the correct answer is ethyl 3-phenylpropanoate. The correct answer is shown on screen.